When it comes to upgrading your Melville home, window installation is one of the smartest investments you can make. Not only do new windows enhance curb appeal and comfort, but they also deliver significant energy efficiency benefits that directly impact your household's comfort and long-term savings. Whether you're concerned about rising energy bills, maintaining a comfortable indoor climate, or supporting a greener lifestyle, energy-efficient window installation offers lasting value. Lower energy bills all year round. Old or poorly sealed windows are among the leading causes of energy loss in homes. Drafts and leaks allow cool air to escape in summer and let cold air seep in during winter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, Melville homeowners can reduce this energy waste significantly. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and insulated frames help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. The result? Lower energy consumption and noticeable savings on monthly utility bills. Improved comfort in every season. Comfort is more than just keeping your home warm in winter and cool in summer. It's about achieving consistent temperatures in every room. With modern window installations, you can eliminate hot and cold spots caused by inefficient windows. Advanced glazing and proper sealing prevent heat from escaping during chilly Melville winters and block unwanted heat gain during humid summers. This creates a balanced, comfortable environment year-round, allowing you to enjoy your home without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Protection against UV rays. Energy-efficient windows do more than regulate temperature, they also shield your interior from harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays. Over time, UV exposure can fade furniture, flooring, and even artwork. Many modern windows come with specialized coatings that block up to 95% of UV rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. This not only protects your home's interior but also enhances its long-term value by preserving your decor and finishes. Quieter, more peaceful living. While energy savings often take the spotlight, new window installations also provide an unexpected benefit: noise reduction. The insulated glass and tighter seals of energy-efficient windows act as a barrier against outdoor noise. For Melville homeowners living near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas, this upgrade makes a remarkable difference. A quieter home environment supports relaxation, better sleep, and overall well-being. Boost in home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly desirable among homebuyers, and new windows are no exception. Prospective buyers in Melville understand the value of reduced utility costs and improved comfort. Installing modern, energy-efficient windows not only makes your home more attractive but can also increase its resale value. It's an investment that pays off both immediately through savings and in the long run through property appreciation. Supporting a greener lifestyle. Beyond personal comfort and savings, energy-efficient window installations contribute to a healthier environment. By lowering energy consumption, you reduce your carbon footprint and help decrease demand on local power grids. For environmentally conscious Melville homeowners, this upgrade aligns with sustainable living goals while still offering practical, everyday benefits. Choosing eco-friendly materials and working with local installation experts further enhances the positive impact. Professional installation matters while the quality of the windows themselves is crucial. Proper installation is equally important to maximize energy efficiency. Poorly installed windows can still allow air leaks, moisture intrusion, and reduced performance. Working with trusted local professionals ensures your new windows are fitted and sealed correctly. This guarantees optimal efficiency, durability, and peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Final thoughts. For Melville homeowners, window installation is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's a smart, energy-efficient upgrade that pays dividends in comfort, savings, and sustainability. From reducing utility bills and improving indoor comfort to protecting your furnishings and boosting your home's value, the benefits are undeniable. If you're considering a home improvement project that delivers immediate and long-term results, investing in energy-efficient window installation should be at the top of your list.